In this demonstration, we will be showing how to file quarterly wage reports in UIE services for employers. Note that all employer and employee data in this presentation is fictitious. To get started, you will need to get logged in to uieservices.mt.gov. Once logged in, there are several ways to access the quarterly wage report that needs to be filed. The fastest way to access the report is by clicking File Now link on the red highlighted tile located on the Summary tab. Once in the report, if no wages are paid for the quarter, you'll simply select No on this screen, click the Next button, and then submit your report. If wages were paid during the quarter, you'll want to select Yes, and then the Next button. On the report, we have several options for getting the wage information into the report. We can manually data enter the information, or over here on our Report Tools tile, we have our Load Previous SSNs function, where the system will pull the employee's Social Security number, last name, and first name from the prior quarter, and you will only need to manually enter in the gross wages for each individual. Our other option we have is our Import My File tool here. This tool is for properly formatted Excel and CSV files. The specifications for these types of files can be found in our Montana e-filing handbook, and a direct link is provided here. By clicking the Import My File, you will be able to browse your computer and select your file. Once uploaded, the employee counts as well as all the employee wage details will populate for you. Once all the information is entered, you can see the system totals the gross wages for all employees in the Report Summary tile here. If the taxable wage limit for the year has been reached for any individual employee, UIE Services will automatically calculate the excess wages and total them here for all employees. The system will then calculate the tax due by automatically multiplying the assigned tax rate to the taxable wages. When all information is entered and correct, you will click the Next button in the lower right-hand corner, and then the Submit button to submit your report. For bulk filers, our new UIE Services still does offer the bulk filing option for FSET and ISESA files. Bulk filing is located in our More tab on the Bulk Services tile by clicking the File Bulk Report link. The bulk files do need to be properly formatted, and those specifications can also be found in our Montana e-filing handbook. A direct link to that handbook can be found here on the request. To upload your bulk file, you will need to click the Add Attachment button here. Select the type as either FSET or ISESA. You'll want to enter in a description for your request, and then click the Choose File button to browse your computer and find your file. Once the file is attached, you will click the Submit button to send it. Bulk filing is a request, and it will take an overnight process to post the report and calculate the tax due.